Hello, today we are making a paper airplane launcher. Here are the materials. 1 sheet of paper, 1 sheet of cardstock, 1 pair of scissors, 1 rubber band. Time to make the plane. First, fold the corners. Then once the corners are folded, fold the corner of the triangle into the middle, like this. Once that step is done, fold your plane in half. Once that plane is folded in half, it's gonna be time to make the wings. The wings are fairly simple. All you have to do is fold them. Fold down the edges of the plane to the edge of the bottom. Then it's time to fold some really nice looking fin thingies. I don't know what to call them. But then, once you got those folded, it's kind of hard to see here, but once those are folded, you can go ahead and stick them up. And there's your paper airplane. Time to make the plane launcher. The plane launcher is easy. All you have to do is cut a bit and put your rubber band on. Like so. You cut, look at it, put the rubber band in, and it's easy. Now that you have all that done, it's time to teach you how to use it. It is fairly simple. All you do is pick up the rubber band, put it around the back edge of the plane, hold onto the plane in the rubber band, pull it back, and when you are ready, let it go. Goodbye. See you later. Have a great day.